Welcome to my Filecoin price prediction for April 2024. Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading, taking care about the entire process in the most rational way possible. Today, we would like to share with you what does the language speaks about for April 2024 as a price prediction and tell you the probabilities as well, the levels that are significant and meaningful for you to be able to have a specific guidance around the market. We do see a significant increase in prices today. We do see the market is trying to get into the pump, and I'd like to start with the charts of crypto total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum. I'd like to share with you the confirmation I've been also talking about in the past days, and now we're receiving it on a 200 days moving average, including the ascending trending line, which is part of the ascending triangle, right? So the ascending triangle usually is considered a bullish continuation pattern, which is having the capability in this case scenario to break out of the supply zone at the top, which is on $780 billion for this market, that will directly trying to go for the $900 billion first target for April 2024 on the crypto total market cap, excluding BTC and Ethereum. So this one stands for all the other altcoins out there. We're going to talk about Filecoin in a matter of a few minutes before we are actually putting together some of the lot trades that I have here. BTC, I'm still holding my long. For those of you that have been following me, you definitely know about it. It's above $1.5 million right now in profit. We have long this one on 38 grand on the BTC, and I've not exited so far. I'm not exiting soon out of this, and we're riding it quite nicely. If you want to be part of my trading journal and journey, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission of the pure profits we make. The commission is paid by you every 7 days based on the profits we have accumulated, and the whole trading experience is done for you, so it's outsourced with API trading permission to us. Right, so at the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there that is serious about a crypto world and is taking this seriously. It's time to go for financial freedom, guys. It's time to trade part-time or full-time correctly, which means you need to know how this business works from A to Z. Now, speaking about Filecoin is something that I wanted to get quite deep, as this is the daily candlesticks, and the reaction we're receiving on a double bottom structure and golden pocket on the current situation here is very, very meaningful towards bullishness. The first target is going to be straight into the encircled area for April 2024, which means clearly above 10.5 up to $12. This is what I'd like to target, with a possibility, with a necessity as well. I would actually need that. Just like for many other altcoins, the chart is quite similar, to be honest with you. I would actually need to get into that quite quickly and slightly establish a breakout with a pullback into the golden pocket and a bounce from here. This is going to be a confirmed market movement above the structure, so we're going to have a BOS of a possible bearishness. Possible bearishness BOS is necessary in order to take it basically above $12, so you need to break the structure that is representing a risk of reversal. The structure that represents a risk of reversal is having the top of 10.4, right? So if you don't basically break above 10.4, and during the retracement that is possible to be seen, that is possible to be faced, you don't confirm above that level. You didn't break out of a structure that is, overall speaking, not going to be bullish. So if you want to open the doors for bullishness, then obviously you need to do that. Break above the golden pocket, get into the highs close to $12, retrace back to 10.5, 10.30s or 40s, right? Get around that level, confirm, bounce from there, and you're going to be able to break the top with a significant force and volume, which is missing otherwise if you do not create a proper structure of a breakout. In order to monetize that action, it's good for those of you that are interested to participate from this very moment or from earlier stages, right? So it do not mean that if you're holding longs right now, unless you see that action right there, you should not hold your longs. It do not mean that that's the only time you should get into longs, when the market will deliver you a reconfirmation of the golden pocket. Obviously, that is a continuation of a breakout of the previous top signal. Definitely not the signal from the movement from $9 or 8.5 towards $12, right? This segment is a different story. The upper segment opens the doors to move even higher and break above, which means that I would definitely target for April. In that case scenario, if we achieve that, but at the same time, to be honest with you, I would actually be happy to achieve already a 30% in April by getting into the $12 mark. I would already be happy with that one on Filecoin, which of course, a lot of you could say that this is not a big deal for such cryptocurrency to deliver 30%. Percentage-wise, it's true. But there is a market situation there with liquidity and volume, and for sure BTC will have to break the all-time high again for you guys to achieve that, and Ethereum has to get close to the all-time high breakout as well. So it is a situation where things get heated up, and you could expect big volatility for both directions. Yet, of course, 30% for such crypto is at the end of the day not a big deal, and whatever we could portray from here can easily get into the 1.618, which is 58%. So if we have a great month of bullishness, 58% into the 1.618 at $14.5, close to $15, which I would also consider would be a great target and definitely feasible, guys. Nothing to be scared of, and definitely nothing to sort of a way put me in a position of being afraid and sell earlier, right? So I wouldn't sit over there at all. That's where we are with Filecoin, guys. It definitely do not look bad. It looks great for a movement towards the upside. It will need time. It will need a couple of days out there, and it's definitely needing for the acceleration once even a few weeks from here. So that's why let the April play out. Let the BTC halving take the altcoin market a lot higher than we're sitting actually. And this business should perform basically in the upcoming period quite well. So have a good time, folks. Enjoy. And once again, for those of you that are part of the crypto world and believe education is having the capability to drive you towards financial freedom of the space of crypto, it's time to take this one seriously. It's not about hitting jackpots. It's not about being lucky and writing something that is just delivering to you and you don't know why and how and all these things. It is about having a comprehensive knowledge around the language of the market, strategies, skills, and as a complex way of how do we trade. This is something that people must know because the results must be predictable. The results must clearly be always in your favor for long term. Otherwise, things are not going to play out, folks. That's it. That's pretty much all. Have a good time, folks. Once again, we'll talk to you soon. This is an ability for you to check out the video and find out how does the coaching program works. And as well, you can qualify for a free conversation with me by register now. We'll talk to you soon.